Hello friend, so now I am going to show you how the membership operator works in Python. So basically there are two types of membership operator. The first one is in and the second one is not in. So why we are using membership operator? The membership operator use that we are check whether the element or the member is in the string, list, tuple or in dictionary. So now let's look at an example. So first we declare a variable a equals to 10 and then b equals to 20. So now let's check if the member is in list or not. Declaring a variable, second variable, and make a list of items 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now check if A in B, then print A is in list. Sorry, if A in L, then print A is in list, and then else print A is not in list. Now just change the value and check if A not in L, then print A is not in list, else print A is in list. Now change the value of B and check whether the B is in list or not. Change the value of B to 5. So if B in L, then print B in list, else print B is not in list. Now save the program as membership operator and then press F5 to compile it. So as you can see here, the output is A is not in list because the variable of A is not in the list 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the second output is A is also not in B, not in list. So we are using here not in membership operator, that was it's showing A is not in list, but when we are changing the value of B, it shows the B is in list. Thank you for watching my video. If you really enjoyed it, please subscribe, share and like. Thank you.